Vrushali and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to review Juice Lumina Gloss. These polishes come with so many different shades and they are so affordable. Like I got them for just 50 bucks from a local store. I have some 14 shades here and I'll be swatching all of them for you. So the video will be a bit longer than you expect, but please do watch till the end. So stay connected if you want to know more about this gorgeous nail polish. So here I have the first shade. This is such a bright and beautiful pink. The number is 52. As you can see, this is such a vibrant shade. I just love it. And the texture of the paint is also creamy. Here I am applying the first coat. The first coat was a bit translucent. As you can see, this is not a one coater. So I went ahead for the second coat. Friends, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe for more such review videos. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And this is the look after the second coat. As you can see, this is such a lovely shade. It's quite opaque too. Let's move to the second polish. The shade number is 81 and this is such a lovely lavender color. This shade is so light and subtle and it is just perfect for floral designs. The first layer was quite translucent than expected, so I went ahead for the second coat. And this is the look after the second coat. Next shade is yellow. Yellow is my all-time favorite and the number is 280. This shade is actually the lighter version of the mango color. I also found it a bit runny as compared to the other shades, but the color is so good and I am just loving it. And you can see the results after the third coat. This is actually a lovely shade. Next is a beautiful coral color. This shade is actually much lighter than what you can see in the videos. The shade number is 144. This clip is not doing justice to the shade. You can see the actual color when I swatch. So here's the first coat. And just look at the shade after the second coat. Isn't it lovely? Next is shade number 65. This is a lovely turquoise shade and one of my favorites too. This is so good. Let's go in for the first coat. And the second coat brings out the richness of the color. So these were the first 5 swatches. And before we move on to our next swatches, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss on any of such affordable nail polish reviews. Because I am actually hunting for such Sasta Sundar Tikau nail brands and I'll be doing a review for all of them. Now this brown shade is also so rich. So let's apply the first coat. And here too you get very good results with the second coat. Next is black shade. The number is 49. This shade is so heavily pigmented and I'm telling you, this black color is actually a single coater. but still I went ahead for the second coat to bring out the richness of the color. I thought as this color is so heavily pigmented, I could use it for stamping too, but it was not that effective. Next is this lovely grey shade. The shade number is 114. This shade is quite watery as compared to all the other shades, so you have to go for at least 3 to 4 coats for good results. Next we move on to this golden color. The shade number is 138. Just look at how creamy it is in texture, and you get this for just 50 rupees. Not a bad offer. As you can see, this is also a single coater, but still I went ahead for the second coat to bring out the richness of the color. Next is plain white, and the shade number is 50. This shade is also quite pigmented, but still you will need 2 coats for good results. So these were the next 5 swatches. Please let me know about your favorite shade in the comment box below. And now let's move to the remaining shades. This is a wonderful navy blue. The shade number is 38 and it is so creamy. Next is this pearl pink. This is such a light and lovely shimmery shade. The number is 286. This shade too is so rich and just perfect after 2 applications. Next is this light pastel pink. The number is 287. This light pink shade is also quite watery. So amongst all the 14 shades that I have, this pink and the grey and yellow are a bit runny and they require more than 2 coats. Rest all the shades give good results after the second coat. Here you can see the difference between the 2 light pink shades. They both are super awesome. Now last but not the least, this is a beautiful red shade. The number is 5656. This is a dark cherry red color, but I am actually a fan of the bright blood red color. So all these polishes were very smooth on application. Required just 2 coats except for just 2-3 shades, and the polishes lasted me for around 7 to 8 days with a base coat and top coat while doing all the household work. So these were all the swatches for today. and stay tuned for more such lovely videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.